going on, YouTubers? With Danny775, just a Maui boy in Texas, back with another video. And today I got a dual unboxing and first impressions of a couple things that I got recently. Don't mind my cats meowing in the background. It's flea season and we've been getting killed by fleas. One of my cats ran out the door. They're normally indoor cats. One of the cats ran out the door. She was outside for a good maybe 4 minutes. Okay, I don't let my cats out. They're indoor cats. And then she ran. When I finally caught her, brought her back in, she brought in a ton of fleas. And this was after a big freeze, so naturally all the fleas are hungry, and now we have a flea infestation, and I'm getting torn up. But yeah, don't mind the cat in the background. Cats, I should say. But yeah, this video is a dual unboxing of a new pair of wireless earbuds. Okay, around the neck earbuds, and Sword Art Online Fatal Bullet for the Xbox One. Of course, I'm always gonna get everything for the Xbox One. And you're wondering why I didn't get a digital. Well, I'm wondering that myself. I think I should have just got a digital. But let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and unbox the game first. Then we'll get to the headset. Because the game's gonna be quick. So what comes in the standard edition? Sword Art Online Fatal Bullet. Now I've seen gameplay of this. I'm kind of a little bit worried, but I think it's gonna be fine. You know, I'm into the anime a lot. I've been watching a lot of anime. I'm working on my anime video still yet. I've been working on this anime video since like the last couple weeks. I'm having trouble finding clips for all the animes I'm watching. Certain clips that I want in there. So if not, I'm just probably gonna upload just some generic clips of my favorite animes and whatnot. But I got the plastic off. So basically, this is Kirito you may create your own character in this game. I've heard you create your own character, and the customizations in this game can be fun. So I'm looking forward to that. I like creating my own character from scratch. And this puts you in Gun Gale Online. And this is a multiplayer, single, fast-paced third-person action shooter. Okay, create your own avatar and whatnot. Let me see. How many players? Xbox Live, 2 to 8 players on Xbox Live multiplayer, single player. It's got co-op, 2 to 4 players. So let's go ahead. Well, the standard edition is slim pickings. I mean, all you got in there is the disc, okay, and the case. You know, that's pretty much it. You see, this is a quick unboxing. I'm gonna download this game overnight. I'm probably gonna install it overnight because I don't have time to install it right now and get some gameplay up. I'll probably get some gameplay footage in my next video, which will be tomorrow. I'll be doing Xbox centric stuff. A lot of Xbox news come out lately. And now I'm gonna unbox Popwoods, okay, wireless earbuds. Let me get the real name of it. Hold on. And I got this thing on sale, but the regular price of this headset, let's see. The regular price, it doesn't say. It's currently unavailable now. Can't believe it. Oh well. Well, I bought it at... I'm trying to get the price right here, okay? Hold on. Don't mind my cats, okay? They're uncomfortable. I actually got it for $15.99. Regular price is $29.99, but they're out of stock right now. I'll leave a link down below to both of these so you can check them out, just in case. But this is a wireless earbuds, and it's sporting. Oh, here we go. Up to 20 hours of playback time. ARC design, waterproof and sweatproof. Okay, I don't have many waterproof, sweatproof / headphones. Actually, I don't have any. I think this is my first. I lied. The wireless bone conduction headphones, those are sprinkle proof, but this says waterproof and sweatproof. So built-in microphone, magnetic design. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Nothing there, and this is it. Will these replace my Sony H.Ear wireless earbuds? I don't know. Let's see. Now it's basic. The design is fairly basic. Wow, it's lighter than I thought it was gonna be. This thing is light. I thought it was gonna be like a hard plastic, but this is not like this is not a hard plastic. This is this almost feels like a carbon fiber plastic thing. So this goes around your neck. The controls are right here. You got the power, the volume controls right there. That's pretty much it. And this is where you charge it right here. There's a little flap right there. That flap looks like it's gonna break. So be careful with this flap. You could easily tear this thing off because it's covered in some kind of neoprene type material. That's what it feels like. So let's get it around. And you see how it's magnetic like that? I like that. Now let's see what else is in the box. I'm hoping they gave, oh, this is a nice little case here. What do we have in here? I was wondering where this was. Here's the instruction manual. I don't need instructions. And then USB charger. USB cable, I should say. Micro USB. So yeah, it is micro USB. Any standard cell phone charger you got, micro USB cell phone charger. I know a lot of people's houses got a ton of these. You just plug it in and you charge this thing. Or you charge them in the computer. Sometimes people, they want you to charge it from the PC. And they give you a second set, a couple extra earbuds right here. There's a little one and there's a medium sized one, and this looks like, oh, this is the medium sized one. There's two large ones and two little ones in there, so depending the size of your ear hole. Your ear hole. So let's test the fit, shall we? I mean, oh, I like this. Now, I can see where this gets annoying. You see this right here? It's touching my cheek here. That can get annoying. But let's go ahead, turn this on, let's get it paired. Yeah, and these are called Popwoods. I picked these up on a wireless when this thing has a lightning deal on Amazon, so let me go ahead and turn this. Let me see if this has any juice. I'm assuming it has juice because it came on. Now it's pairing. Oh, right there. It popped up instantly. This thing is recognized as the Z6 on your phone, and this is being paired with my Moto X4. And it is connected. Now let's see, can this dethrone? I wonder if I'm doing it the right way. I wonder if it's like this. I think it is. There we go. It was upside down when I put it on the first time. I know. I'm a dummy. I understand. Now let's go ahead and test this out with some of my YouTube safe music. Okay. Alright, I got a song playing. Let's check it out. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. It's got volume. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and click them together like this. I can do this. You hear that? I'm trying to get you folks to hear it. It sounds pretty good for what it is. I mean, I got it for $15.99. It's actually, I'm thinking it feels like it's worth more than that, because from the sound quality, now it's not top of the line sound quality. It's, if it's raining outside and I want to do some workouts, I'm bringing this to replace my Sony my Blue Ant pump soles, because waterproof. I like the waterproof and the sweatproof. And if it's what you call that, it's not raining so hard, I'll probably use the wireless bone conduction headphones. But this will be great for people who like to go running, especially running in the rain and whatnot, or you sweat a lot. The fit, it fits well. I don't know how it's gonna stay in your ears when you work out. As of right now, it's not bad. It's got a good fit. The mids and highs, they sound pretty good. Okay? Not like super awesome, but they're great. Okay, for what you pay for. Price per performance, they sound fantastic. They sound balanced for the most part. The bass sounds, it's there, but it's like a messy type of bass, but bass is there. The bass needs a little work. Maybe when I set it up, when I play with it via the equalizer, I can clean up the bass a little bit, see if I can tighten it up a little bit. But it's got it all. The volume's pretty decent. It's pretty loud. Now, I did a jump cut. I'm gonna do a jump cut right here, and I'm gonna test out the distance. I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I'm back. So I did my distance test. This thing starts to crap out right at 10 meters. It says so right in the description. 30 feet, that's the standard. It's sporting, I think, Bluetooth 4.2. Yes, Bluetooth 4.2, which is why it paired so fast like that. And this is supposedly boasting 12 hours audio time, up to 150 hours of standby time. That I'll see. I'll try and prove that when I do a video review of these. And this supposedly charges within 2 hours, so I'm gonna test that as well. But yeah, this is the Popwoods Wireless Earbuds. Wait, what's the name? What's the full name of Popwoods Wireless Bluetooth Stereo Wireless In-Ear Neckband Earphones with mic and magnetic earbuds, sportsproof, sweatproof, and noise cancelling. There is some noise cancelling on here. I don't know if it's, I think it's automatic. I don't think there's like a noise cancellation button. I don't think so. But when I got the review coming around next week, I'll be comparing it with my wireless my Sony wireless H.ear earbuds. I'm gonna compare it with that. And I haven't taken any calls with it. Again, I'll testing that out later. But this was just a quick first impressions video of these headphones. And I hope you folks like this video. I got more videos on the way this week. I am going to be doing my top CDMA phones that work on Verizon/Sprint. Basically all CDMA carriers in the United States. I know us CDMA guys and girls get left out a lot, especially with a lot of these phones being GSM only. I got my video coming out. I was going to release it earlier, but since MWC Congress 2018 popped up, I pushed it back a little bit, so that's coming out probably by the end of the week. And I also got my anime video I've been working on since who knows when. I'm still having trouble finding clips that I want to use. But yeah, it's getting 775, just a Molly boy in Texas. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. Skadang775, just a Molly boy in Texas. Peace out.